Good morning student. I am going to teach you about the cell membrane. In previous class you have studied about the cell and cell wall. Today I will teach you about the cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is the outermost covering that separates the contents of the cell from the surrounding environment. In previous classes you have seen structure of cell. In this structure of cell, it is the animal cell. There is cytoplasm is present inside the cell and it is the nucleus. Outermost content is of the nucleus is the cytoplasm, and this cytoplasm is surrounded by cell membrane, or it is known as plasma membrane. Cell membrane, or it is known as plasma membrane. Here in this class we will study about the structure of cell membrane. What is structure of cell membrane which bonds the cytoplasm from the external environment? It separates the external environment to the internal environment of the cell. So, it is the cell membrane. This cell membrane structure is like that. It is the unit membrane structure. It means where and what is structure of the cell membrane, what is materials are formed in the cell membrane, and what substances are involved in the formation of the cell membrane. सेल मेम्ब्रेन का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन किस किस सब्सटेंस से बना हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन केस ऑफ बैग, ऑल ऑफ यू सी, जैसे बैग में क्लॉथ लगाए रहते हैं या प्लास्टिक लगाए रहते हैं या कोई मेम्ब्रेन लगाया रहता है और उस बैग का फॉर्मेशन होता है. हेयर आल्सो सेल इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन विच सराउंड्स द साइटोप्लाज्म एंड इट separates the external environment to the internal environment of the cell. So, here the structure of cell membrane. What is the membrane structure? In this membrane what substances are present? It is here. It is the unit membrane structure. It means it is made up of 3 layers. This cell membrane is made up of 3 layers. Outer and lower layer is made up of protein and inner layer is made up of phospholipid bilayer. Outer, upper and lower. It is the upper part and it is the lower part. Made up of protein, and in between both layer present phospholipid bilayer. It means 2 layers of phospholipid is present. So, totally it is formed by 3 layers, upper and lower. So, this type of structure of cell membrane is called the unit membrane structure. This structure is known as unit membrane structure. It is known as unit membrane structure. In फर्दर और डिटेल जानने के लिए इसमें कहते हैं कि इट इज़ द मेड अप ऑफ 3 लेयर एंड आउटर प्रोटीन इज कॉल्ड एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन एंड इनर एंड सम प्रोटीन्स आर मिक्स्ड इन द फॉस्फोलिपिड बाइलेयर इज नोन एज द इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन. फॉस्फोलिपिड bilayer here also. In some books about the structure of the cell membrane, some models are given, like unit membrane. It is given by Singer and Nicholson, and it is given by Singer and Nicholson. It is the structure in which the 3 layers are formed. First layer is protein and outer layer protein, it is called the extrinsic protein, means it is present on the outside of the protein layer, and intrinsic protein which is here, it is intermixed with the phospholipid bilayer. Extrinsic protein is easily separated from the surface, but intrinsic protein is not easily separated by the surface because it is the intermixed with the phospholipid by some chemical reactions. So, it cannot easily separate from here. Here in this extrinsic protein, some glycoproteins are attached and some fats are attached in the form of branches. So, it is known as oligosaccharides and it is known as glycoproteins. And on the it is the specific structure of the any cell on the basis of presence of oligosaccharides and glycoproteins, it differentiates one cell to other cells. So, it is the detailed structure of cell membrane. It means this cell membrane is made up of 3 layers, outer and lower layer is protein and middle layer is made up of phospholipid bilayer. Total width is 75 angstrom. First width protein layer is 20 angstrom and lower is 20 angstrom, in between the 35 angstrom. So, it is the 75 angstrom in width. It is the structure of cell membrane. What is the function of cell membrane? First function is it gives boundary and maintains individuality of the cell. It bounds the cytoplasm and it maintains the individuality of the cell. It means it is the individual to the other cell it is present. Then second, protects the cell from external injury and contaminate. सेल का प्रोटेक्शन भी करता है by the external injury or contaminate. No any contaminate या no any disturb are found in this cell membrane. So, it gives the protection for the cell. Then third is cell membranes are selectively permeable. It is very important characteristic of the cell membrane. Selectively permeable, it means it not allows all molecules of ions or all substance which can pass through the cell membrane. So, it is the selectively permeable. It is the membrane characteristic which are the special for the any cell. By presence of selectively permeability characteristic, so no any cell membrane allow the any substance which enters into the cell. Due to presence of cell membrane, no any substance which are present in the external environment cannot pass through this cell membrane. Cell membrane जिस molecules को जिस substance को चाहेगा उसी को अपने में अंदर आने देगा. So, its character is very important which are known as the selectively permeable. In next class, we will study about the osmosis and diffusion. There is more detail, more description of the selectively permeability or permeability of the cell membrane are present.